approximately 9 minutes, over. Can you guys give me a sit rep on your location?
This is Red Dispatch. I contacted ground. There's no hazmat or no armament on the Sea King.
Roger, be advised, myself and Reynolds, we're going to hold fast on base here. Just keep us in the loop of what's happening. Make sure Red Pack is taking up their...
Ground, be advised, Red Pack is in standby position. The Sea King is approximately 5 minutes out, and there's smoke in the cockpit.
Roger, we're still going to hold fast here. All agencies, this is Red Lead. Be advised we're currently code 1. Over.
This is Red Dispatch. Red Lead, Red Dispatch.
Send.
I've notified wing offs and also the MPs, and they are en route.
Roger, my location is currently headquarters. Have the MPs go there, over. Further, I want you to notify flight safety, as they do have smoke in the cockpit, so we do have a problem. I want you to notify flight safety organization. Have them go to headquarters as well, over.
Red Lead, Dispatch. Roger.
Fine, and will let me know when they're on scene, over.
Red Dispatch, copy that.
West QR3 station. West QR3.
Thank you for stopping Unit 102 at 319 Langbury, please.
Sorry, 102, and what was the Civic on Langbury?
319 Langbury.
Jet Force. Red Lead, this is Red Dispatch. The Sea King is 1 mic out. Also, the flight safety have been notified and en route.
Roger, be advised the MPs are on scene, the records there. And I'll let you know when somebody lets me know that flight safety is here.
Red Lead, this is flight safety. We are in position, over.
Oh, I see you now. Yeah. Red Dispatch, indeed. He is on scene with myself and the MPs.
Red Dispatch, copy that.
Have your Red Pack respond, over. All agencies, this is Red Lead. I do have a visual on the Sea King. Smoke, no flames at this time. Red Pack, respond, over.
Red 11 responding. Red Dispatch, copy, code 3. You're going to take up service side, you take up port. Looking, I can't take port side. Location. Red 11, correction, tail. You take up tail. Tail. Lead, Red 11, aircraft scene, smoke scene, no casualty scene at this time.
Copy. Red Dispatch, Red Lead. I'm going to set up in the left area. It's going to be at headquarters. When you have it. Recall. Report to headquarters. Level 2 staging, I see.
Red Dispatch,
Further, my location is about 100 feet port of the incident. 100 feet port, I'm in red 14, command post.
Red Lead, this is Red 8. Knocked down 10%, knocked down to 10%. I have full foam, full water. I have maintaining rescue path. Suggest take line off at 11.
sounds good. Sector 1, you can take action.
Red lead. Red lead ready. Further to that. One to the nose and one to the tail. I see no armaments and I see no casualties.
Roger, I wasn't sure if you were listening to the transmission here yet. There's no armament on board, no hazardous material. Be advised that the impact with 4 souls. Over. Security 1, this is Red Lead. All tools are located on the trucks. Over. Red Dispatch, Red Lead, ensure that you tell the ambulances en route, and also tell them that my fighter rehab is going to be on the starboard side of Red 11. Over.
Red Dispatch, copy. They've been notified, and starboard of Red 11.
100 feet off the tail of the incident. Be advised we don't have any AMs on scene yet, so ensure that there's a driver with the triage.
Red Leader, Sector 1.
Roger, we do have some drain. Environmental officer requested that he go to the staging area. Over.
Sector 1 copies. Red Lead is Red Dispatch.
We know when they all come to the staging area. Over.
So, staging, copy that.
Dispatch, Red Lead, do we have any members of the fire hall that's for a recall yet?
4 Q. 3.
Roger, I'm going to take the QL5s. But, yeah, we're going to get the QL5.
Red Dispatch, copy that. Red Lead's level 2 staging. Be advised that we have fire. The city ambulances have just arrived. Oscar, Fulton, and environmental officer have all arrived. Where do you want them over? Level 2 staging, copy that. They're en route, over. Can you confirm if the others are in search of it?
Roger, I just requested the QL5s that are...
Roger, so I've confirmed drains have been covered here. I have it under control. Par 3, over.
Roger, I acknowledge under control, Par 3.